Learn how to make BBQ buffalo wings with Chef Josh Omusisi. For the new viewers, I'm going to request you to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. So I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade BBQ buffalo wings over homemade BBQ chicken wings. So you need your chicken wings. After getting your chicken wings, we are going to season the chicken wings. When I talk about seasoning, you're going to apply salt and white pepper. We are going to season with salt and pepper. So you first apply salt, you make sure that you spray it well. Then after, you apply the white pepper. Remember, white pepper goes for white meat. That's why you apply the white pepper. Then you apply Reiko chicken. After applying Reiko chicken, you spray it well. Make sure that the chicken is well coated with each ingredient. Then you are going to apply the paprika. So apply paprika for color. So you spray it well. Make sure that it is well coated. Then after, you are going to apply turmeric. So after applying turmeric, you spray it well again. After applying turmeric, you are going to apply the garlic ginger paste. How do you make it? You blend the garlic and ginger and oil in the blender. Then after, you're going to start pan frying. Then add oil on your pan. Then start pan frying your chicken wings until golden brown. We have two ways. You can either pan fry or you can deep fry. So I'm going to show you two ways. So we first pan fried, like I'm showing you. We pan fried until golden brown. Then the second version, I'm going to show you how to deep fry. But if you are deep frying, the marination we used, make sure that you finish off with some wheat flour or corn flour, anything of your choice. You finish off with corn flour or what? Or corn flour or wheat flour. Then you're going to deep fry until golden brown. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. So in another pan, we are going to get a pan. Make sure that you don't put much oil. Put your chicken wings, again, or your pan fried chicken wings or deep fried chicken wings. After applying them, apply the BBQ sauce. You can buy the BBQ sauce in supermarket, or you can do homemade BBQ sauce. You can make BBQ sauce at home. So if you don't know how to make it, please WhatsApp me or inbox me so that I share you the recipe of homemade. So this is how we make the homemade BBQ chicken wings or homemade BBQ buffalo wings. So you can serve them with plantain, you can serve them with wedges, you can serve them with French fries. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. This meal is so good for your kids. Trust me, when you make this for your kids, they are going to enjoy the meal. See you next time. If you want to talk to me, you WhatsApp me using that number.